I've decided that the youngest person that works for us should be 18 years old and the oldest 68. Now, we know that we need a date range, and how to calculate that is the number of days since 1900. So to get our first range, we're going to take today minus 68 times 365 to get the birth date of the oldest person, and then I reformatted that to show that it'd be 8/21/1943. And to get the birth date of the youngest person, we get today's date minus 18 times 365, and we find our youngest person would have had to have been born on 8/8/1993. Now the other way to do this is to just say our oldest person should have been born in 1943 and our youngest in 1992. So I'm taking January 1st, 1943, and then reformatting that as a number instead of a date, and doing the same here to get my number. So I'm going to use this second range here in my example. Now that we have our highest and lowest numbers for our birth date, we're going to put it in a random number generator and generate a random number between our youngest and oldest guy, 15,707 and the 33,969. I want to copy this down. I'm doing Control C. Now I'm highlighting in Control V. This gives us a random number. We want to insert this, insert in a column. We're going to call this birth date. And I want to copy these random numbers, but when I paste them, I don't want them to be random numbers anymore. I want them to be numbers, so I will paste special, and clicking this paste all, I want the numbers but nothing else, so I'm going to uncheck all those and just leave the numbers checked. Now we have these numbers here. Let's center this, and let's reformat this as a date with a 4-digit year. Now that we have the birth date, let's add an age in as well. I'm going to insert a column, call this one age, and I want to calculate the age by taking today minus the birth date divided by 365.25, and the 0.25 is for leap years. And it comes out as a little format, so let's copy this format here and paint it here. So now they're large numbers, and we want to reformat this as a number. Now we've got age 23 for Mark Taylor. Let's copy this cell all the way along, and now I'm doing Control V, paste, and we've got a variety of ages here to work with.